and I'm gonna have a Chicago dog with the words and I want to give Brian my hot peppers.
I might get what you get.
No, you get whatever you want. You're buying your own tonight, right?
I don't care. Yeah.
You're rich, man, motherfucker. I'm working to make a living here. I thought you were gonna get 2 sandwiches.
I don't know. Chicago dog sounds great too.
You and I ought to open up a hot dog cart. But I'll have to watch you because you'll be eating all the profit. I'm not eating the Brian. But Brian, how come we only got like 400 hot dogs left and we got 500 buns? And what the fuck happened to the Jaranara? I don't know.
Where you at? You coming?
Yeah, I'm always coming. I'm at Battlefield right now. Fremont and Battlefield.
We'll be on fucking Campbell. Hurry.
All right, man.
Here, if you could squeeze between this trailer and me, I'll let you go ahead of me.
Shut up.
Yeah.
I only got like fucking 6 things. What about Tim?
What about fucking Tim?
Yeah, fuck that guy.
Hey, Tim,
Hey, we gotta go. Hey, they got a place here called, it's Massage Envy. What the fuck happened to their sign? I don't even think they're there anymore, dude. Unless they're in the mall.
Man, these vans are lucky I'm here. Just recently, they didn't leave no fucking room to let these vans.
Oh, yeah. Your buddy Ronnie,
yeah.
He lost them.
Well, right now they got those trailers fucking all the way towards the dock, and
yeah, you can only get one in there. Yeah, one.
And
darn,
right now, before ahead of me, there was a semi and the box truck, and they kept just going up and up and up. And lucky I don't do what they just did because they wouldn't be able to fucking get in.
You're so considerate, Brian. I don't think the people give you enough credit.
They don't.
They need to be giving you compliments.
Get out of their van and say, hey, thank you.
Hey, thank you, man. I just want to let you know you're doing a great job.